All right, so we got a lake here somewhere. We got to find a lake. So today I'm using the 1025R with the backhoe on it. The line's coming from, so it looks like it's coming from here, going towards the well out there. So I believe I'm gonna slowly dig and see if we can find a lake somewhere. He created a green patch over here. So the water is probably coming from here and draining down this way towards the low spot over here. So I believe it's gotta be right here in this area over here somewhere. So I'm gonna position it and kind of dig it to where we can actually expose the pipe. The advantage of using the small little tractor to find the water line is that if you did hit any type of pipe, you will actually kind of feel it. So you don't want to put a lot of force when you actually curl the bucket. So what I do is actually I bring the bucket towards me slowly instead of curling the whole way there. The curling on this backhoe here is actually the most powerful one, but when you actually bring it back towards you, it's not as powerful, so it'll prevent it from actually breaking any pipe. So here we actually found the pipe. We're gonna try to clear the dirt a little bit more to see how far the pipe goes out, and we're gonna stop the machine pretty soon here and manually dig and find out if we can find a very wet area. Alright, so it didn't take that long for us to find the pipe, luckily. It's going down here, but it looks like we got a leak right there.
Turn the water on though.
You ready? Turn the water on? It looks like it's leaking right there at the coupling.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, it's leaking right there. Oh, because it's bent.
We don't need it, right? But the other copper, the liquid. You turn it off?
Yeah, I turned it off already. I still got water. We can see where it's coming from. Oh, right there. Yep. It's bent. It's bent. Yeah, that's good, dude. We don't want to soak it with water. It's gonna be hard for us to like glue it together to do it. So here I'm just cleaning out the dirt around those two pipes. I'm not sure why there's actually a 1-inch pipe going into 2 3/4-inch pipes. I double checked and both of them are going towards the house, but nothing is hooked to the well. But we decided to go ahead and glue it back up the same way we found it. Here I'm just gonna dry fit everything and make sure that everything is marked and at the correct height before I'm gonna go ahead and glue all the pieces together. So we're gonna check the meter over there. It stopped running already, so we're good. So let's see here. So if they fill up, $647. Yep, water's off in the house. Okay, so it should be good.